A year in Europe for less than $3,000 per month. Cobblestone streets and vibrant charm kick off our journey in Portugal, where the cost of living allows for indulgence in local cuisine and culture. Spain's warmth beckons next, with art and tapas nights under Valencia's starlit skies. Italy calls with its rich history, as Puglia offers a blend of culinary delights and historical exploration. As the Schengen clock resets, we head to Croatia's serene beaches and ancient city of Split. Bulgaria's bohemian streets in Plovdiv offer a budget-friendly cultural feast, while Romania's heart, Transylvania, immerses us in folklore and history. Returning to the Schengen area, Greece's island of Crete mixes Mediterranean cuisine, Minoan ruins, and sun-soaked beaches. The Czech Republic's Brno presents an affordable alternative to Prague, brimming with local culture and history. Germany's Leipzig combines cultural richness with a cost-effective lifestyle. The journey concludes in the United Kingdom and Ireland. Edinburgh's historic allure contrasts with modern cultural trends, while Cork offers a lively yet affordable city, rich in music, art, and friendly locals. A year of discovery paints a picture of Europe's diverse tapestry, a continent thoroughly and affordably explored.